Hello folks, welcome back. Guess what? It's another potato reveal. Woohoo! Hello folks, my name is Dave and this is my allotment garden. If you're new to my channel and you like the content, why not hit the subscribe button and then you can comment, like and all that kind of thing. And hit the bell as well. Cheers! Anyway, here's a potato reveal. Right, so today I'll be digging out these Maris Piper. As you can see, they're well dying off there now. So it's time to get them out before the worms start making a feast. I'll crack on. See you in a bit. Well, not bad. Let's get them on the scales. Right, so there they are, potatoes, and a couple of rogue ones from last year by the looks of it. So I'll stick these on the scales and we'll have 4 kilo 400 grams minus the 200 for the bucket. That is, I'll see if I can zoom in, 4 kilo 200 pound. Right, there you go, another potato reveal. Interesting. 4 kilo of 5 plants, not bad. I'm just going to go through them here, see if there's any worm damage. They look pretty clean. Pretty clean. Know what I mean? Aye, there's a couple of red rooster from last year there. Pity there wasn't a few more. So that's it folks. Like I say, just another potato reveal. That's all I seem to do these days. I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for commenting, liking and subscribing, and if you haven't already, please do subscribe. It really is appreciated. Ring the bell and all that kind of thing. Cheers now. Bye.